Hey future techies, welcome back to Beyond BTech, your one-stop guide to the best internships, career advice and project ideas that actually help your resume. Today, we are diving deep into the IBM SkillsBuild internship in collaboration with EDUNET Foundation launching this June 2025. There is no stipend but lots of perks, globally recognized IBM badges, cloud access, AI/ML hands-on projects and industry-ready skills. So, stay till the end. I will tell you how to make the most of this internship. Firstly, what is the internship all about? This is a 6-week full-time internship program called SkillsBuild for Academia, designed by IBM and EDUNET Foundation. It's 100% virtual and focus on AI, ML, cloud technologies, and even some basics of Python. This is not just theory, you will get hands-on projects, real-world simulation, and guidance from IBM certified mentors. You will also get access to IBM's own coursework and cloud-based tools and resources. It's like a mini bootcamp for free. And who can apply it for? This internship is open to students across Pan India pursuing BA or BTech or BCA, MCA or ITI or Diploma. And but here's the twist: it's all only open for the pre-final and final year students. And the requirements are a valid college email ID, a laptop or PC with OS installed, and the basic knowledge of Python or AML. And the tip is, even if you know Python basic, you are good to go. This internship is beginner friendly but still adds serious weights to your resume. Now let's talk about why should you do this internship. There is free access to IBM's premium courseware, hands-on with IBM Cloud and AI tools, and group projects with students across India, and mentorship from industry professionals, and globally recognized IBM badges and certificates, and you get soft skills plus technical training. And these badges are not just preparation or participation certificates. IBM badges are verifiable and can be added to you in LinkedIn profile and resume to impress recruiters. And there is no stipend, but the skill set you gain here is worth more than the money in your college years. And the important dates and timeline are: and the start date is the immediately after selection, and the duration is the 6 week, and there is no stipend, and the last day to apply is 30th June 2025, and the location is online mode. And the pro tips are: apply early to get better batch allocation and possibly connect with better mentors. And how to make this most of it. Here's how you can stand out and actually benefit. Take initiative in group projects, don't wait to be told what to do, and attend all the mentorship sessions. These are golden opportunities, and earn extra badges, go beyond the basics and you will stand out. And showcase your work, add your projects to GitHub and your portfolio, and connect with peers and IBM mentors on LinkedIn. And remember, it's not just about getting a certificate, it's all about learning real world tech that employers care about. So, should you do this internship if you want real AI and cloud skills, if you want to work on hands-on projects, and if you are in your pre-final or final year, then yes, absolutely it's for you. And no other free internship offers this much structured learning and industry level mentoring and certified credentials from global tech leader like IBM. Apply before June 30, 2025, and don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Beyond BTech and share this with your college group. Drop your questions in the comments. I reply to every single one. Application link is in the description. Go check it out.